Hey friends, hope you're doing great in life. Hope you're staying healthy and safe on the other side. So your SBI clock admit card is out and you have only 10 days left in your hand. So these 10 days are going to be very crucial and you need to utilize these 10 days very judicially and very efficiently. Now there can be some candidates who might have just started the preparation and they are not done with the syllabus. So for them I would recommend that for the next 2-3 days you must dedicate 1 hour for learning new topics, and these topics should be those topics without which you cannot clear the prelims examination. For example, for quant sensing it may be simplification, it may be approximation or quadratic equation or series. So such basic topics must be done within this 1 hour early in the morning. Next, for all I would say that you must prepare a checklist for the weaker topics as well as for the stronger topics. So this will help you plan out the next 9 days. You will know which areas you must work on for the next 9 days. Okay, and then for mock test, which is also very important part of the prelims examination, you must dedicate at least 5 hours including the analysis. So within these 5 hours you can attempt at least 2 mocks you can attempt along with proper analysis. So dedicate 5 hours for the mock test, like it is an important part of the prelims examination. Okay, so next 3 hours speed enhancement exercise. So this is also another important part of the prelims examination besides accuracy, because you see, if you don't have the speed in solving the questions, then obviously you will not able to clear the prelims examination. So 3 hours speed enhancement exercise must be done regularly on a regular basis. And how to do the speed enhancement exercise: choose like 10 questions for simplifications and then put the timer up to 5 minutes. Okay, so this way you can reduce your time or increase your speed in every topic. So you must also keep in mind that you need to always set the timer, reduce time. Okay, suppose you are able to solve any question in 3 minutes, then in this exercise you must always keep the timer for 2 minutes or 1 minute, so that you feel the stress, you are able to solve the question in less time. Next, I'm keeping 1 hour for English. So this is totally another thing, because if you are good in English, if you know how to speak in English, you will be good in puzzles because your reading skills will increase. So you will be good in reasoning, you will be good in English, and you will be good in solving the arithmetic questions. So this portion is also important for your prelims examination. 1 hour topic test. So 1 hour topic test is also very important because you will learn new topics in the process. So if you are not doing this 1 hour for new topic, here also this is a chance where you will learn new topics without realizing actually. So this 1 hour topic test must be done from SmartKira and from nowhere else. SmartKira is the best that I can recommend for this lot of routine. Okay, so this was for today, and you must prepare your routine from tomorrow keeping all these points in mind.